I paid only 450 and mine is the new collection. Now about the best way to shop on Myntra sale. Okay, so this is probably my biggest deal. So I am clearly obsessed with one shoulder top. 8 am to 2 am when the sale starts. Let me give you a breakup on how I got this dress for so cheap. And I wore this for a retro night. So today I am shooting a Myntra haul. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, my name is Nikita and welcome to my channel and welcome to the first video of 2021. Wishing you all a very happy new year. I hope you all got to spend ample amount of time with yourselves, with your families, with your friends, and you all had a good time. So today I'm shooting a Myntra haul. As you all know that Myntra was having its end of season sale in the end of December, I think somewhere around 21st or 22nd December. And I took ample advantage of this sale because I really love shopping from the Myntra end of season sale. I think the end of season sale on Myntra is probably the best time to shop on Myntra because the price drop, the way the prices crash on this sale is insane. So if you want to buy something from Myntra, I would always suggest wait for these kind of sales and then buy. I mean, Myntra keeps on having those winter sale, summer sale and so on, but every 3-4 months they have these end of season sale and it's insane. You should wait for it always. So today I'm shooting a fashion haul. I bought quite some stuff from Dorothy Perkins and Mango. Primarily these two brands because I love these two brands and they go on an insane sale during this period. So let's get started with the haul. The first thing that I bought is this one shoulder sequence top from Mango. So I'm sure you must have seen this in one of the ads for Myntra because literally this top was being advertised in each and every Myntra banner for the sale, which is why I didn't want to buy it because I thought that it was going to become very common. But I just couldn't resist. I mean, I love one shoulder and the detailing on this top is insane. I mean, the sleeve detailing, there's like a puff thing going on one sleeve, which is why I bought this. And also because I had a friend's wedding and there was a retro night, so I've already worn this top. So the best part was that I ordered these things on 23rd December and I got them on 25th December or something. I wore this for a retro night and I got so many compliments for this top, so it was totally worth it. And as usual, I'm going to pull out my phone and check the prices and let you know what I've paid for this. So this top was originally for 6,500 and I got it for 2,100, which is like 60% off or maybe more than that. And the reason why I got it for so cheap is first of all the discount. Then secondly, Myntra always keeps on giving you these coupons that you know you can get 10% off, 20% off if you buy in the next 1 or 2 hours. Plus Myntra was having a 10% discount on ICICI cards and some other credit card as well, which I do not remember. So usually what I do is that I wait for these sales primarily because you can get an extra discount on credit cards. So basically if you were shopping for more than 3,000 rupees, you were getting a 10% off on your entire cart value, which is why I could get this for 2,100 and totally worth it. I love this top. The next thing from Mango are these pair of shorts, plain basic khaki shorts. I've been looking for these shorts for a really long time and I love Mango shorts. Though they are a little off in sizing, I mean if you wear like an M in shorts, you'll have to probably buy an L in Mango shorts. So this was originally priced for 1790 and I ended up paying 699 for this, so a pretty good decent deal over there as well. So I'm very happy with this. The next thing that I got from Mango is this one shoulder top. So this is like a ribbed top, so the material is like a ribbed material which you usually wear in winters, but because it's like an off shoulder top and like a small top, you can easily wear this in summer season as well. So I am clearly obsessed with one shoulder tops. I think they look so flattering and no matter what your body type is, I find these one shoulder tops to be really flattering. Like you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with skirts, shorts, anything. So this is the top that I got. Now there's just one last thing from Mango and I bought this beige cardigan. So Mango actually has this cardigan in all colors. I remember seeing a black, red and probably a blue as well, but I thought of buying beige because I do not have this color. I mean I do have multiple sweaters in red, greens and blues and blacks, but I do not really own a beige color cardigan or sweater, and this is not that thick also. I mean you can totally wear it in Mumbai as well. And this is really flattering for, you know, office wear and all, where you feel cold in the air conditioner. No matter what you're wearing, if you wear such kind of a jacket, it will be really flattering, which is why I went for this. Let me show you the price. So this is originally for 1800 and on discount, it was on 50% discount, so that was 900. But because of the ICICI card that I told you, I got for 810 rupees. So pretty good deal over there because you do not really get a mango cardigan for 800 rupees. Pretty good quality, so that's what I got this. And now I think we'll move to Dorothy Perkins because I think we're done with mango. So the first thing that I've ordered from Dorothy Perkins is this black dress. It's like a fit and flare dress, and it has this very cute detailing on the sleeves. Now I already have this dress in navy blue color, and I bought this dress in navy blue probably 2 or 3 years back, and I still wear it. That is the insane quality that I got from this dress, which is why I saw the black color and I was like, I want to buy it. And one of the biggest reasons why I bought this dress is because I paid only 450 rupees for this dress, which is insane. Let me tell you the original price. So the tag says 2000 and I ended up paying only 450 rupees, which was insane. So I had to buy it. So how I got this for 450 is, so this was already on a very heavy discount, like it was already on some 70% off or something, and then ICICI card, so again 10% off, which is why I bought this. And usually like these sales, like if there is like a 70% off or there is an 80% off, this would usually be between 12 AM to 2 AM when the sale starts. And I remember that is when I bought it because at that time usually the prices are at the lowest. So had to buy this. Okay, so we are left with 2 dresses. So the next thing that I bought from Dorothy Perkins is this dress, and oh my god, I am in love with this dress. First of all, it's like a midi size, so it's like those Victorian dress length size, which is amazing. And it has this heart print throughout the dress, and it has this detailing on the waist, whereas you know it cinches at your waist. The material is so soft, it's like a blend of rayon and cotton. I loved this, and this was a part of the new collection. So this was for 24.90 originally. Let me tell you the price that I paid for it. Okay, so this is probably my biggest steal because I've paid 930 rupees for this dress, and mind you, it's a new collection. Now let me give you a breakup on how I got this dress for so cheap. So first of all, Dorothy Perkins was running a buy one get one free on a few dresses, I think on almost all dresses, though I'm not very sure. So all of their new collection was also on buy one get one free. So I like 2 dresses, one this and another one which actually did not fit me well, so I returned it. So those 2 dresses for 2500 each. So if you buy one get one, so that becomes 2500 for 2 dresses. So that is 1250 for one dress. Plus there was some 10% off going on just on Dorothy Perkins. There was some coupon. You use it, you get 10% off. So there is where I saved 10%, and then again ICICI cut 10%. So I ended up paying just 930 rupees for this dress, which was insane. I think I figured out the best way to shop on Myntra sale, and I'm probably going to make a video on this. So let me know in comment section if you would like to see that kind of a video. And now moving on to our last item in this haul. This is again a Dorothy Perkins dress, and this is an old collection. Like I've seen this dress on Myntra for probably 1 or 2 years now. So generally like Dorothy Perkins dresses I think are not very popular on Myntra because yeah, I understand that they are expensive, but when you take these dresses on sale, let me tell you, they are the cheapest. Like imagine paying just 900 rupees for such a nice material. I love this brand. The next dress is like again a midi dress. I am into midi dresses a lot. I love wearing midi dresses. So this is like a red satin material dress which you can wear for a party or even some occasion, and it has these tie-up things wherein you can tie it around your waist and will cinch at your waist. Though it does look like one of those Chinese dresses, but I loved it. And this was on some crazy discount too. Let me just check. So I just checked that I've paid 1145 for this dress, and the MRP for this dress is 5000. I'll also attach a picture of the price breakup if you want to see how I got this discount. So that are all the clothes that I got from the Myntra end of season sale, but I also ended up buying some beauty products and some accessories, and I'm going to make a separate haul video out of it. So probably that is the next video that I'm going to shoot now. Other than that, I need your help because I'm also thinking that I'll shoot a fully fledged Myntra tips and tricks video, as in I think by now I've shopped so much on Myntra that I've understood when is the best time to shop on Myntra, what kind of cards can you use, what kind of discounts can you use, the Myntra Insider program and so on. So I'm thinking of shooting a video which would be really helpful if you're planning to buy some clothes on Myntra. So let me know in the comment section how do you like that idea and if I should shoot that for you, and I'll surely do it for you. So that is it for this video. I'll see you all in my next video. Watch out for my next video as well because there's a Myntra accessories and beauty haul coming soon. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.